Let's see how to use the twin feature for an image or design. This means duplicating and adapting it using your own product and text. Go to the Generate Image page and activate the twin mode. By default, it is set to twin off. By clicking it to switch it to twin on, two new areas will appear on the screen. The left area is to import your source image, and the right area will display the result. Click on the import icon in the source area. Use the Local tab to upload the design you want to copy from your computer. Once the source design is loaded, click the main Import Image button to add the photo of your own product. You can then adjust your settings. Choose the AI model, the resolution, the number of generated images, and the ratio, which you can simply leave on auto. The most important step is selecting the language and country. This allows the AI to perfectly adapt the generated text and the cultural context of the image. If you wish, you can also set your brand colors in the Graphic Charter section. Finally, click on Generate Twin to start the creation. If you don't have a source image on hand, there is an even simpler method. Go to the Public Gallery by clicking on Explore, then on the Reference Image tab. Here you can browse all free images, filter them by categories like Product Promotion, and choose a design you like. Simply click on the Twin button directly on the chosen image. You will then be automatically redirected to the Generate Image page with the design already loaded as the source image. All you have to do is import your product photo and click Generate Twin.